Hey guys, Zoller here, back with another review. Excuse me. And today we're having a look at the Transformers Dark of the Moon Cyberverse Autobot Ratchet with Lunar Crawler. Not really a crawler, more or less a rover. Hello. It's like a rover on steroids, actually. But as you can see, it can roll. Ratchet's in this nice little roll cage here. And you can pop them out pretty easily. And there's Ratchet. This mold is much better than the movie one version. And the fact that it can actually okay, now what the heck? Okay, stuff is getting stuck. I don't know why. Those are the freaking arms, for crying out loud. What is this? I'm not sure what the deal is going on with these arms. Okay, there we go. Those were just tight. They never are. There's one. Spin this over, actually. Okay, that one's screwed up then. Okay, there we go. I was wondering what the hay was wrong. Why isn't his head coming out? There. That was not a picnic for whatever reason. Never had trouble with this guy before. Going to a review, you have all the trouble. But here he is in his robot mode. He looks nice. I mean, looks like a nice Ratchet. He's much better than the first movie one, and I think they used the same mold for Revenge of the Fallen as well. No articulation. He's got a swivel in the shoulder that can move out too. Then he's got a ball joint in the elbow, so he can give you a punch in the face from the jaw, the lower punch, and then he can roundhouse kick you like Chuck Norris. But he is not Chuck Norris of the Transformers universe. Metroplex is, because he got a 2-foot tall action figure. So eat that, giant bumblebees. But yeah, getting carried away now. But yeah, Ratchet's pretty cool. I didn't compare his vehicle mode to a Viacon, did I? Oh well, there he is with that one. It would have been the same as any other figure, but have a look at this. You can actually unpeg this piece. Do that. Then you can flip it out, and it's a little rover. Although if you flip it in, it's a little turret. So that's cool. But why would a turret have tank treads? I don't know. But there you go. Is that. Then you just want to unpeg this thing over here, which is probably going to be a bit of a chore. There. And that is a scale? I don't know. Not quite sure what that is. But transforming it to Rover mode, you want to undo that. You want to flip that up, I believe. No. Yes. I'm pretty sure that flips up like that. And you fold that. No, you fold this underneath. No, you fold that up here. I don't know what I'm doing. I lost control of this review. Anything is possible. Well, that's cool, but that's not the Rover mode. I don't know, maybe it is like that. Oh, yes, it is like that. The claw of the thing is always in the front. Although I remember this being all blank like that. I don't know. Maybe it was something else. But, yeah, I just pulled this claw out of nowhere. This came with the set, obviously, but, I had to leave it off the other mode because it doesn't go with that. But here he is, well, here it is, in a Rover mode, and it's got a little grabby claw, which is cool. And that scale thing I brought out earlier, I just clipped that onto the side of this, in the back, like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it goes on, but I just had it stored up on this panel here, whichever side it was on, for the other mode, and it rolls. You know, Ratchet can chill up here, I think. I don't think he can. No, he just stands off to the side and does Ratchet things. He just stands off to the side and does Ratchet things. Well, this thing does all the other work. And then you can bring in a Roller Jr. here. Pretty cool. But there's another mode called the Medical Bay mode. It's basically that. Is that it? That's it. Right there. So you can have Ratchet working on somebody. This thing can grab them and chuck them if they're a Decepticon. I wouldn't want this thing amputating me. Let's just get that straight. I would not want this thing amputating me. It is way too big and scary looking. But whatever. I'm not a giant robot. But yeah, that's about it for this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Dark of the Moon Cyberverse Ratchet with Lunar Crawler. I mean, it's a nice set. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. But most of these sets so far haven't impressed me. But the last one, oh, I have mixed emotions about. Probably just like the Starscream. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. And don't forget to comment, like, share, favorite this video if you want. Sub to me, I will sub you back as always. And don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Twitter, all that jazz. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.